Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're coming to you from Aquila with a brand new boat. This is the 46 Aquila. Step on board with me and let's see all the details. So they're calling this a day boat, but guess what? It's got a 17-foot, 11-inch beam. Boom! We're gonna relax in style because we got volumes of space back here. It's also 47 feet, 4 inches long. It's got twin Mercury 600s, giddy up and go, 50 miles an hour. How do they get that 50 miles an hour? This is a foiling boat. That's right, this is a 46 foiling boat that gives you maximum efficiency, great performance, and great fuel efficiency. Here we're on the transom end, very transformative. I got forward or rear facing seats. You can adjust it as you want. It can be a day bed, relax in the sun. We got shade, whatever you need, we have it back here in space. I have my sea bob here, but let's say we have a jet ski. I have a crane, put my jet ski right up here, and we're out of here. Let's go step into the cockpit. That 17 feet, 11 inches of beam really shows here in the aft end from the cockpit. I can keep engaged with people in the salon very comfortably. I can actually get a nice cool drink if I want. So let's say we're fishing, I get a fresh catch. I can throw it right here on the Kenyan grill. On both the port and starboard side, I have twin boarding doors, but I can also bring that fresh catch in if I want. So here we are in the galley. We got plenty of room to entertain, relax, cook, whatever you need. And then I have a convertible dining area back here so we can dine in the interior if we have bad weather. And again, if we have extra guests on board for the night, I can actually lower that table down and convert it. Great headliner in here, great natural light. Really is a well thought out cabin area. Triple helm setup. So I have you, your first mate, and the first mate's mate. So comfortable setup here, great visibility. I have twin Raymarine screens. You can set it up any way you want it. I got the rear facing camera in the chart right now. I also have my Mercury controls here for those 600s, and I also have my Mercury skyhook to keep it on station, move it in and out of dock. I also have a bow thruster on this to really help us get it in and out of tight spaces, or put it up on the sandbar if you need to. Great helm controls right here, so you can control stereo volume, whatever. You can set it up any way you want it. So you really have everything at fingertip controls, whether it be stereo volume or other features of the boat. You can program your helm wheel to have a whole lot of fun. Very intuitive. Of course, I have my zip wake up here, and then I have my dedicated C zone for all my Aquila software and beyond, all integrated right here. At the time right now, it's a little hot outside. I got air conditioning blowing in here. Then this massive sunroof, almost the entire beam of the boat can let fresh air into everybody. And then I have a watertight door that leads up to the bow, which is the most important thing while we're underway. We really got to button this, front door tough. So if we're taking water out of the bow, we're never going to have a problem because it's super well-constructed boat, especially that watertight door. Starboard side forward is where you're going to find the primary, very well appointed. Great natural light. Again, the headliner is eye-popping. And then let's talk about the head for a minute. It has a full stand-up shower, fully ensuite, and a great basin, but there's also tons of storage in here. And I said, is it a day boat? Is it? I don't know, because there's tons of storage here for all your belongings. You can really take this out for a long passage if you choose. On the port side, the VIP suite is very well appointed as well. Again, the same natural light, great space, great headroom, and fully ensuite and storage for your guests as well. It's a day boat. Is it? I don't know. It's so much more, so much going on. Go to your local dealer, step on board, and see the refinement, and take her for a sea trial.